to chat new WhatsApp contacts without saving them. Without much ado, let's get started. So I'm going to quickly go to my notepad where I have some numbers saved, numbers gathered, of which we are going to use for this particular tutorials. So these are rightly four numbers I'm going to use to test this tutorials. Alright, so this is how it goes. Let's say you met someone online and there's the need to chat that particular person immediately or at very fast rate for some submission. This is how you're going to do. Just get the person's details plus the country code. Okay, get the person's details plus the country code. All right, so when you get the details like that, you just move straight to WhatsApp, then find one of your contacts. Okay, or you can just go to the use section over there. All right, and paste the contact right there. So this is actually one of my numbers, so I'm going to use this number for the purpose of this tutorial. So what you are going to do is to just paste the number. So this number is South Africa, this is Ghana, this is Nigeria, and the last number 2 is Nigeria. Great. So once pasted in this way, here is what you are going to do. So you just tap on the number one time. So let's tap on it. So immediately you tap on it, you are going to see chat with the person, call on WhatsApp, or add to contacts. Here we are interested in chat with the number. So immediately you tap on it, you could see that you can chat with the number. All right, so let me test this on the Nigerian line. So let's tap on the Nigerian lines too, and you see checking phone. So once it is done, you will see chat with WhatsApp, so you can chat with WhatsApp. All right, so let's test the Ghanaian's number. So you just tap on the number once. Okay, you just tap on it once, then you go to chat with the number, then you are able to chat with them. So this is how you are going to do if you are not having another WhatsApp contact like mine. You just tap on this button, you wait a while for it to load. Okay, you just wait a while for it to load. Alright, so after loading, you just tap on the U section over here. So just tap on U. Alright, so once after tapping on you can move ahead or go on and paste the contacts here. Okay, where you can start messaging them as we did. Alright, so initially one will have to download WhatsApp Direct app, where the person will just paste their contact there. But this is a new update WhatsApp had introduced, and this is going to help us send messages across board in any other country without saving them. Okay, all what you have to do is to just add your country code. Thank you once again for coming through. This is Camper Tutorials. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos. I'm out.